Milo, are those for Daddy or for you?
What is that, Sunshine?
Cool.
You got bubbles. It's like a bubble necklace. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, Gracie. Grace, let's sing.
And look at Mommy.
Aww.
Ariel.
How cute is that?
Mommy, Ariel.
What'd you get, Milo?
I know so many toothbrushes.
For your bed.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and a water
Look, you got, look, Sunshine, look what Milo got. You guys can put those in the window in your room, in your bedroom.
Well,
I'll take him.
look it. Look it. Milo, I got this and you got a firefighter. Oh, Mommy, a headband. Big.
That's pretty
Oh,
one.
You don't wear headbands ever.
yeah, I do.
I'm a girl.
Cheers! Look at that! You still there's a code.
Oh, Milo, look.
And then you get, you get the magic sunshine. Look at that dress. That's pretty.
Oh, prettier.
It's a prettier one. It's right. It's beautiful. Wow.
So we're gonna steal today. I want to wear that today. What's the better?
Milo, did you get a new Cub shirt?
Hit on tennis shoes. Sandals.
Oh. Oh, look at those shoes.
Grace, look at I got sandals.
Oh my God.
With high heels.
High heels.
Yeah, look, I even got this beautiful.
You better put that on.
I'm gonna go put it on right now.
She missed something.
Get it.
It's a Spider-Man egg. What's inside of a Spider-Man egg, dude?
Well, you know, before you don't have to go to the movie today, like I'll just take Ellie, so you can do something different.
What's this? See what it looks.
What's
What
that?
it is.
Spider-Man
It's not
stickers.
people. All kinds of things you do in here.
The spiders on it.
No, Sunshine did. Grace did not. All these things you can do.
Dora the Explorer egg?
Oh, well, just set it in your basket for now, please. Because I'm not ready to have one.
What?
Aw, that's a cute bunny sucker.
Well, let me see if it fits. Let's see.
Lip gloss.
You coming?
I think she.
Alright. There are carrots all throughout the house. The Easter bunny.
You got a lot of all that stuff on the
That was
computer.
Toby's carrot.
Even the purse has a code, doesn't it, Grace?
So
Everything.
so what does that mean?
She registers them online, and she can play with the purse and the cat online and everything.
Oh. Huh.
Come on, Sunshine.
We should get one of those for Kirby.
What do you think?
Mom, can you
Who could?
walk in over to the bathroom and see if Sunshine needs help getting that dress off, please?
What animal's gonna wear the pants? Okay, let me see.
Where's the pants?
I think they're behind you.
But it has a code.
I think you have another present.
Mommy, can I
The
put
blue
that
one.
on the song?
Yes, does that have a code too? Gotta save all the codes.
Ellie, that has code.
Here it goes.
Let's see. Turn this way. Let me see.
Oh, look at your pretty
Let's see.
dress.
I kind of let it
Oh, it's beautiful, Sunshine. What'd you get, Milo?
I know you got something
Right here,
wet on the
Sandals.
pink. Nothing.
Oh, cool.
Spider-Man goggles for in the pool.
All right.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Oh, I got to do with this one.
Look at these goggles that Milo.
Sunshine, stand up so I can see you in your dress. Oh, that is. Oh, and look at the bottom of it.
I know.
That is just too cute.
I saw the bunny. I got that too.
What are they?
Hey, Grace.
Ellie's right here, okay?
Can I open this either?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Mommy, can I have this?
Yeah, as long as you put those shoes on, I want to see.
The candy.
Candy?
Don't pull the tags off yet, please.
What is that, Milo? What is that? Look on the right.
That's a bed light.
Mommy, it's a
Oh.
little bit too big.
No, they're not too big. They look like they fit to me.
What's
Oh.
that?
Look,
That's
she's
okay,
got
son.
pants
That's
on
good.
her. Looking.
There's pants on you, working.
Got pants on the way.
With the tail hole.
Yes.
That's what's on the
Try some of these socks, dude.
I'm gonna
Try
change.
these ones on?
You got to put the
And
pants
bunny.
Look, okay, pit stop on them.
Where? What says pit stop?
His new socks.
Pit stop.
Is it good, Ellie?
I ate it here. It has a hole inside. I know.
That's a hologram.
You see your toes, dude.
Can we open this?
Probably.
Yeah,
Let me have your feet.
those are safe balls.
Let me have your feet.
Mommy,
You remember
my
these? When we were in Mexico, we played with these in the pool.
Yeah.
You threw them back with those people at the pool.
Let me see the pants on the cat.
Mom.
Oh, nice.
Mommy, they fit.
Look, those are.
Look at your sandals. They're fantastic.
Let me see. Stay over there. Let me see.
Figure out where the bunny got.
Can you open this one now?
They do. They look cute. Are they easy to walk in?
Probably not on carpet.
Let's see. Walk over there.
Oh my gosh.
Good thing they make you taller because you weren't really tall enough.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Oh.
Let's see. Try and walk in the other room and then walk back. How they work.
Why are you taking your socks off?
Careful running in those. They model it back this way.
There's gonna be a cat model on the loose.
You like them?
Gonna be a cat
All
model.
right.
On the loose.
Why do you keep holding your dress up?
Instead of he wants candy. Wow. This,
Oh, you got candy too, huh?
That
Ellie, you got so much teeth.
Tara Clashency's getting married next Saturday.
Oh yeah.
I saw the band. I figured that she probably wasn't
Really,
going to
eh?
Oh,
marry
you
this
went.
fella. They
Oh,
just,
you got the thing.
they sold their house. I mean, I saw it in real estate
Ellie,
things a few weeks
look
ago.
at the cat.
Sold
in
their
the
house
hand.
and they bought the
Mm-mm.
house for like something like $245,000. No, it's not in Preston, Chicago.
Milo, say
Say
hello.
That's a lot of money.
I
Hello.
don't see you. Where's Milo?
I'm like you.
Where?
Like you.
Watch you. Say hello.
Hello.
Say
Hello.
Mm.
And there's a cat.
Allie, say hello.
Hello. Cat hello.
No.
Some more candy.
No more. Just one piece,
He
okay?
just has to wave to you to say hello.
Milo, eat that big. Milo, eat that big piece of candy you already got.